welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. What we're looking at here is a full body Mortice lock, and we're going to be swapping the cylinder. And the problem is that this screw right here is completely stripped. So what we're going to do is I'm going to be replacing this cylinder. Get this one out to start with. Now we'll work on this one here. So to do this, I'm using this one here. This is what we call an easy out. So it drills in reverse and it's got a screw gripping thing there. I'm going to put it in reverse. Put a bit of an edge on it. Swing it around. Pressure. And it looks like it's not wanting to come out. I'm going to have to try and drill a bit more. Okay, and I felt it give. Back to this side. There we have it. It's been removed. Okay, now we have to remove this cylinder. This is a leggy lock, but they all work very similar. Because this is tiles, I'm going to be very careful when I take this pin out. I don't want it to hit the ground. If it hits the ground, it can break a tile. Cylinder comes out, new cylinder goes in. That's a retaining pin, so that's a retaining pin. Tighten that up. Just tight. Okay, I'll push that back on later. Okay, so we can put our faceplate back on. We're going to have to replace that screw. And I have one here. That's a new screw right there. Let's put that in. So I'll put a new screw there. And put back the original screw for the top. Okay, let's test the key. And I'll push that back a little bit. But that's swapping a cylinder and that's removing a broken screw. Okay, thanks for watching.